thing about this is Lyman Primary School. I know so we're there to do a little treat the teacher them nice to them good work. Now wait till them dead before we give them some roses. Dog. Treat them nice. Badadan and Bingii there. They are putting the work on the wall. Fully action. Fully.
I have nothing love for this school.
Yeah, I know.
I'm grade 5 class.
Yes, true.
So,
Good
even
to see you, because it's been a long time. Yeah.
Seen in person, it's been a while.
Yes.
Yes, Miss Rice. I love how you're running the place and keeping the place up, keeping the place good. We just wanted to do something, a little thing. Me and Taff come together and say we could do something. Just to show appreciation, because of them school that we start out.
Yes, this was the start for you.
Yes, this school is the start. And we know that real roses will, in a week or so, will go bad. So we want to give you something you could have forever at your table.
Alright.
And it won't spoil. I don't have to worry about nothing. I want to be able to bring my kids over here
now?
They can know your other day, but
Walk carefully. Walk carefully.
she's going to be happy to know that I could be there.
And them things, them man protect the youth them.
Make sure them cross proper.
Cross properly. Badadan TV there.
Yeah.
Outside, I don't know, documentary, Lyman Primary School, they don't see sign, like it's sponsored by Scotia Bank.
Yeah.
No, we're outside, though. There, sign. Lyman Primary, I saw the youth them discipline around now. Yeah, man. Oh.
Cross at the cross.
Turn over the phone, boy. Turn over the phone, boy.
Lyman Primary, I saw the youth them go school. I saw them come out. Someone always a direct them youth. The most disciplined is youth them. Yeah, man, Lyman Primary. Check.
Guaranteed more.